Hi students, this is a session 2 of the chapter number 6, the triangle and its properties. In the session 1, we learn medians of a triangle and altitudes of triangle. Now we will learn some properties of triangles. Okay, exterior angle property, angle sum property, like that. First of all, see, I told you to solve 6.1. If any queries are there, then you can ask on the group by message. Okay. If not, then okay. Now we will go for the property exterior angle of a triangle and its property. What is the property? First of all, we will see what do you mean by exterior angle of a triangle. Suppose this one is triangle ABC, then if I'll extend this BC like this, then one point I'll take here as a D. Now see, angle ACB, angle ACB, this one, see this one angle, this angle is adjacent to angle ACD. Okay, angle ACD, adjacent angles, adjacent angles. Okay, means this total sum will be 180 degree. Now the next point is interior opposite angles. Now angle ACD is called as an exterior angle, exterior angle. Now this one, see, angle ACD is an exterior angle, and next angle A and angle B, means this one, angle A and angle B are called as a interior opposite angles, called as interior opposite angles. Okay, see this one, ACD is exterior angle. This ACB is adjacent to ACD and total sum is 180 degree. And then this is an exterior angle, and this one, angle A and angle B, are the interior opposite angles. Okay, these three, A, B, C, are interior angles, and this is exterior angle, and this is interior opposite angles of ACD. Suppose if I'll extend this side, then this is an exterior angle AB. Suppose here E is there, ABE, and ABC are adjacent angles, and these two are interior opposite angles. Okay, like that, exterior angles and interior opposite angles we learn. Now sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree. So ACB means interior angle and one exterior angle addition will be 180 degree. Okay, then next point. See here, an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. Property. First of all, we learn exterior. What is the exterior angle? Which is the exterior angle? What is the interior angles? Means which are the interior opposite angles of an exterior angle. Okay, which are interior opposite angles of an exterior angle. Now we will see the property of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. Suppose this is exterior angle ACD. This total is exterior angle. Okay, now this ACD is equal to angle A, angle 1 and plus angle 2, that we have to prove. Okay, this angle ACD is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2 is that we have to angle ACD is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2, that one we have to prove here. Now what we have to do here? First, consider triangle ABC. given angle ACD, this full angle is an exterior angle. Now what we have to show, measure of angle ACD is equal to measure of angle A plus measure of angle B. That is nothing but measure of angle 1, measure of angle 2, or 1 or 2. Now for next thing, we have to draw the line CE from the point C, ABC. From this point we have to draw one line which will be parallel to the AB. Which one will be parallel to AB? Now suppose this line and this line is parallel, then angle 1 is equal to angle X. Angle 1 is equal to angle X. That is nothing but alternate angles. Alternate angles we learned already. Alternate angles, okay. A and X are equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle X. Because AB is parallel, means reason is AB is parallel to CE, then AC is a transversal line for this two parallel pair. Then this one and this one will be equal because it has alternate angles. Remind yourself and think what do you mean by alternate angles. If not, then go for the previous chapter and learn it again, okay. Then next, angle 2 and angle Y are again equal, angle 2 and angle Y, because it is corresponding angles. We already learn alternate angles, corresponding angles, opposite angles, all things we already learn. So this one and this one is corresponding angles, so they are equal, angle 2 and angle Y. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to X plus Y, because it is equal. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to X, angle X plus angle Y. Now angle X plus angle Y, this one X plus Y is nothing but ACD full. So measure of angle ACD from the figure. Now angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to ACD. See, this one side and this one side is equal, so this one side and this one side is equal, okay. See, right hand side of this and left hand side of this equation is similar, so left hand side and right hand side is also equal. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle ACD. The above relation between an exterior angle and its two interior opposite angles is referred as a exterior angle property of a triangle. Exterior angle property of a triangle. When you are to give the reason, angle ACD is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2, then directly you can write it is the exterior angle property of a triangle. This is one property of a triangle, okay. Then next, see, find the angle X in a figure 6.11. Angle X. Now see here, this is 50 degree, this is 110 degree. Now this one we need to find out, okay. Now this total is 180 degree. Total is 180 degree. Okay. No need to find out this. Directly you can find out this. X 50. This is an exterior angle, and exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So exterior angle is 110 and sum of interior angle is 50 plus X. Now this 50 will go, X is equal to 110 minus 50. So X is equal to 60. X is equal to 60, and the reason is exterior angle property of a triangle. That also you can write. Then next, So your exercise 6.2, now you have to solve. Find the value of unknown exterior angle x in the following diagrams. This one you have to find. This is exterior angle. Exterior angle is nothing but sum of opposite interior angle. So 50 plus 70, 120. Like that you need to find out this. Find the value of unknown interior angles of x in the following figure. Now what you have to do here, see 105 minus 50 you'll get x. 100 minus 70 you'll get x. And each and every time you have to write sum of interior opposite angles is equal to exterior angles. Okay, this equation, sum of interior opposite angles is equal to exterior angles. Or else you can start suppose this one, then 50 plus x is equal to 105, and reason you can write what? Exterior angle property of a triangle. Okay, what you'll write? Exterior angle property of triangle. This sentence you have to write after this. Then x value is 115 minus 50. Like that you can find out. But this thing you can write. You have to write. Okay. This exterior angle property of a triangle, this one you have to write. This is containing half mark. Okay. This is containing half mark for this. Either you can write this exterior angle property of triangle, or else you can write like this: sum of interior opposite angles is equal to exterior angle. Any one is necessary. Okay, any one is necessary.